Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can do with a broken USB Type-C cable from a mobile phone. Cut off the connector and use a utility knife to remove the insulation from it. Remove the metal casing so you can access the connector's contacts. Here's what we need. Now let's put it under the microscope. Next, take a 5.1 ohm resistor, solder one lead to the 5th pin on the connector and the other to ground. Here's what it should look like. Now take another piece of wire with a Type-C connector at the end, cut off the wires, leave only the positive and negative, and solder them to our connector. Put on the heat shrink tubing and move on to testing this homemade device. This is the kind of cable we ended up with. Now, with its help, you can charge one phone from another. As you can see, everything works well. We switch the cable, and now the second phone charges the first. With this kind of cable, you can charge any gadgets that have a Type-C port from your mobile phone. This could be headphones, an action camera, an e-cigarette, or a portable speaker. It's especially great when your phone has a high-capacity battery and you can use it as a power bank. If you like this DIY project, give this video a like, leave your comments, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.